Hi everyone, so today we're going to be going over a vocabulary strategy called four-dimensional squares. So this strategy I adapted for a grade level at 11th grade, a course of modern world history, and the specific text we're going to be using is Chapter 14, Lesson 2, a reading guide for World War I, and it is from the Network's World History and Geography from Modern Times textbook. So here's the template that I went ahead and created. This would be a template that would be easy for students to make on a note card or to be printed off to a page on standard paper. But yeah, so on here you can see the sentence from the text will be written down. They will get a dictionary definition or a vocab dictionary definition from the textbook. They will connect it to their life, and then they'll draw a symbol or picture to represent it in the box. How did I become familiar? So my professor, Dr. Mayline, last semester in teaching secondary social studies classroom introduced it to me during one of our vocabulary strategies unit plan. And I really liked it, and I went ahead and made my lesson over it in that class, and I decided to bring it over to here. The rationale for using it, first of all, it's comprehensive. It captures a lot of elements from the text and allows students to use multiple processing. So multiple processing is when they use image, they use text, they can sometimes use music, but they connect it to their life, and it can be really useful for a lot of different students' learning styles. It's also affordable as well. How it can be integrated. So this is a filled out example. I went ahead and used a picture from an online resource, but the sentence was the British troops were mobilized, and the dictionary definition is over here on this side of the screen. And then from my life, the Russian troops mobilized to invade Ukraine on the television. And yeah, that's just an example. And here would be the text and how it scaffolds that text. So as you can see here, propaganda kind of flows into the text here, but by taking out that one sentence and putting it into a structured format, they can easily break it down and analyze it rather than reading through these whole 3 paragraphs to get an idea through context what it means, as well as the definition. They can also find different pictures on this that will give them ideas on what to draw for propaganda. So here's some more examples. I did one for each of the vocab words in this set. How I plan to assess this, so vocabulary tests would be one way, honestly the most obvious way. Surveys, asking students if they feel like they understood the text. And finally, short essays, I feel would be an appropriate way to see if they understand the words. So be something like, in 5 sentences, write about the use of propaganda, and then they can write how they would use the word. And there we go.